Hi, moms and dads. It's Mrs. VK, your child's music teacher. So, we're getting close to the end of the year, which is very exciting. But some of our kiddos are struggling with their current music assignments. And as a mom, I would want to know how I could help my child or what my teacher is doing to help my child. So, I'm going to show you what each assignment kind of looks like and what I put in there so that your child has success. So far, they've had two assignments this grading period, and we have been reading rhythms for the last 9 weeks. Now, reading rhythms starts off really easy, and it's kind of like math. You start off simple, you learn how to add, then you learn how to, subtract, and then you learn how to multiply and divide, and before you know it, you're ending up doing calculus. So we're not doing calculus, but it has gotten a little bit harder. Some of our kids are doing the assignments and not having any problem whatsoever. So if you've looked in Power School and your child is just easily getting 5 out of 5, and I haven't notated that it took them 4 or 5 times to get that score, they're probably fine. But if your child hasn't done the assignment, or maybe I've notated that it took them 5 tries to get the assignment correct, they're really not getting it. And I want to make sure that they do. And then unfortunately, some of our children are not doing the assignments at all. And I really would encourage you to look at Power School, see if they've done the assignments, see if it's missing, and then help them and encourage them to get started. So let's take a look at how I'm helping your kids. Here's a typical assignment. This is actually the first assignment for this grading period. Now, because I noticed that some of the kids were having difficulty with the assignments, I completely redid the videos for week 8 and week 9. And I made them super specific. In the video, I actually have a cheat sheet right next to the problems. And I go step by step through the problem, going back and forth with the note and then the cheat sheet, the notes, and then the cheat sheet, showing them exactly where they should be finding these answers, especially on the first few. There are always 5 questions. By the last one, I'm just guiding them slightly back and forth. There is a cheat sheet on every page. Now, if they can't see the video well, remember that you can always kind of zoom in on their Chromebooks. Okay? And again, there are 5 questions. They need to look closely at the answers. If they miss some questions, they need to redo it. They can watch the videos again. Please encourage them to watch the videos more than once if they're having difficulty. If they've watched the video 2 or 3 times and they're still not getting it, by all means, have them email me. But please don't have them email me if they haven't really given it their best shot. And again, they can redo the assignment. If they've gotten a 4 out of 5 or a 3 out of 5, and then the second time they get 5 out of 5, I know they figured out what they did wrong. But if they're doing it 4 and 5 times and I'm noticing that their answers are always different, usually they're just guessing. Okay, so week 9 has exactly the same thing. There is a video embedded right in the assignment. Encourage your children to watch the video and pause the video. It even says, if you need more time, pause the video now. I go step by step, problem by problem through the assignment. And then week 10, which I will be assigning soon, has exactly the same thing. The children are always given at least a week to get the assignment complete. I reward them with 3 PBIS points if they get all 5 questions correct by the time it is due. And I do everything that I can. I've done some Zoom sessions with the children, but only a small handful, and I do mean small handful. I think I've got 112 kids online in addition to my 500 and some students in person. And I can count on 2 hands how many kids have taken advantage of those Zoom sessions. Very, very few. Almost 1 hand I can. So if your child is having difficulty, they can email me. I've had 1 or 2 children do that, and I've been very impressed with that. They went through, they watched the videos, they tried to do the assignment, they just couldn't figure it out. I am happy to Zoom with the children. If they're putting forth the effort, I want to help them too. Moms and dads, I hope that you're having a great day. I hope that this helps you. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Enjoy the weather. Bye.